Hello, the fifth resource that I found for teacher use was called Seesaw. So why I chose this particular resource, it's for policies, digital tools to communicate with students and parents to keep them up to date of students' progress and building policies. And what was my purpose slash goal for this would be that Seesaw is an easy tool to use learning portfolio applications, enabling students to document, showcase, and reflect on what they are learning at school. It's accessible for students, and it's a way in order to communicate with parents and demonstrate them policy, and communicate with them policies that we have currently building and how their students are doing within my classroom. Um, this is my intended audience for this would be for students and parents. And then the two ICT standards that I found that this would cover would be 2.3 citizens, educators inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world. And then 2.6 facilitator, educators facilitate learning with technology to support students' achievement of the ICT standards for students. So next, how to create this. So I have already made my account, so I would click, if you haven't created one, you would click on sign up for free. But I have already made one, so I'm going to go into over here. Okay, so then this is what's going to look like. So I currently have my classroom. I have Miss Blanco. I am the teacher. I currently have no students. I currently have no journal entries. But first things first, I need to create my class. So I'd create my class. Let's say Blanco. Do would be to add students and to add families. So let's say I wanted to communicate with families. Um, Schedule them, I can archive them, calendar them. I can send out notifications for my families to read and communicate. And then here, progress, just have an easy way to have track progress, have parents and me both track the progress of students. I know this wasn't the best demonstration, however, it's a little difficult not to show every little thing when I don't have any students in this. However, I did like this resource as a way to communicate with parents and students and just to keep them up to date with what's going on in the classroom.